Hi guys, this is Bajaj Ganna and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to install this tire hugger of 200NS onto my Dominar. For this you need this whole assembly of rear tire hugger from Bajaj itself. It will cost you around 633 rupees and this is the part number. And you need a special clamp to fix the rear hugger. This I got from Dipen Nisar log. He's a YouTuber and he posted one video with this, so I bought this from him, which is custom made. This one costed me around 280 rupees. It also came with this nuts. This is the nylon thread nuts and 2 washers and spring washers. So let me install this on my bike. So we have to assemble the nut like this. First you take the bolt and then one dollar washer and then the spring washer, and you have to insert this in this portion, including this metal under the plastic. So after fixing the bolt, it will look like this. First the bolt, then the dollar washer, and then the spring washer will be inside of it. It will come in middle of plastic and the clamp we made. And from back we have to use this nut or nylon nut to hold the bolts. We have to tighten it more, so I'll tighten it up and fix on my bike and show you the video. So this is how it looks after installation. So we had to remove this bolt and fix the clamp. So it's a direct fit. So let's see how it fares in monsoon time. Ciao. So guys, this is the update after 500 kilometers of installing this tire hugger. It is holding really well, and I've been 2 days ago there was rain and it didn't splatter much because of the tire hugger. So under the bike is pretty clean compared to non-tire huggers. So I would suggest to get this if you are a tourer and even if you ride too much in rain. So thank you for watching this video guys. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon and keep watching my videos. Ride hard, ride safe. Bye.